important. Take off your negative battery cable. It's a 10 millimeter right here. Loosen that, pull it off, go up with the car. So now if you come underneath, back behind the oil pan, under the intake, you can see, this is going to be a little hard to get on video, but right there is the plug for it. That's your knock sensor right there. So up in here, you have the knock sensor. You can see it has a T or an E12 external torque spin on it. I already have my socket on it. I'm actually going back in, but it's going to be the same coming out. So you're going to spin that with WD-40, get a long extension, put it on your T12. You can see I have it on there already. Now we're just going to tighten it up, but if you're coming out with it, you're going to loosen it all the way out. Pull it down with the plug, take the plug off. It's just one little tab you pull up and then pull the sensor off. And then go back in, plug it on, put it back up there, put the bolt in, and then tighten the bolt back down. But if this video helped you guys out, please hit the like button, hit the comment button, hit the subscribe button, and as always, thanks for watching.